Hello and thank you for watching 2carpros.com. In this video we're going to show you how to replace a fog light bulb in 2006 to 2013 Mini Cooper hatch. Let's start with opening the hood, then disconnecting the wiring harness from the back of the headlight lens. Then, using a 10mm socket or wrench, remove the 4 mounting hardware bolts for the headlight housing. Remove the old headlight housing from the vehicle. We apologize for the camera angle, but you have to reach down and find the fog light housing. Then, remove the wiring harness from the back side of the housing, allowing you to remove the bulb. We like to compare our new bulbs with our old bulbs to be sure a proper install. Then, install the new bulb to the wiring harness to the fog light housing. Reinstall the headlight housing to the vehicle using the 4 10mm mounting hardware bolts you removed from before. Our last step is to return the wiring harness to the back of the headlight housing. Please click our subscribe button and like us on Facebook. Thank you for watching 2carpros.com.